Hello, this is Bwana from Bwana.tv, and I want to show you guys a new keyboard I just got. This is the Apple wireless keyboard to be obtained for $79, and this thing is very small, very small. So let's go ahead and crack it open. Alright, got the box open, and when you open the box you see the keyboard pretty much and nothing else. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the box. There's the keyboard in this super fine thinness glory. In the box there is it's like a packet with some papers in it and a little thingy-majiggy. Oh, a little container with batteries. Energizer. They don't skimp on batteries. They're not giving me no off-brand. That's good to know. That's pretty much everything that's in here. And go ahead and take the plastic off so you can get a good view of this. Again, this is super tiny. I don't think the video is going to really show how small it is. Maybe if you see it, compare it to the size of my hand. It's a good old chiclet. Little chiclet keys. That looks like a power button, I think. Nope, that's the power button. Don't know what that is. Maybe it's a lock. Oh, I don't know. I guess I'll have to read the instructions to find out, don't I? But the keys are pretty nice. It doesn't have a numpad, but as far as typing on it, it seems to be very comfortable. Now I already have the other Apple keyboard. It's the wired keyboard. You see here. It's the same as the wireless keyboard, except it has the full keyboard layout. Has the keypad over here. But this seems to be more of a laptop type keyboard in that it doesn't have a keypad built in. It doesn't have the function key, the home and end key, page down. It does have the up, down, left and right arrow keys, but it's a pretty nice keyboard and I like it. I mean, there's not much else to it. This is about as elegant as you can get. So I'll put up a post later on how this thing works, and you guys can give me feedback on whether you like it or not. But I think I'm gonna like this. This is a very nice keyboard. All right, short and sweet. Apple wireless keyboard, Bluetooth. Too bad it doesn't work on the PlayStation 3, but works on just about everything else I have in the house. So this is Bwana saying toodaloo, goodbye, and so long.